Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's a little bit different. I'll start here in the studio, but we'll go out into the field and I want to show you all the gear that I have and what I shoot with on a typical landscape photography shoot. I also got a new camera bag, which I'm pretty excited about, so I'll show you that as well. So let's go. So, this is my new backpack, camera backpack. It's from PGY Tech. It's 35 liter, expandable to 45 liters, and it fits perfectly in an airline overhead. It's a little snug, but it, collapses a little bit, so it'll be okay. It's got a really convenient zip pocket on the top for my go-to setup. Find a place to sit. All right. I like this backpack because you can access all your gear from the back. That means your straps don't get all dirty and muddy and snowy and wet when you're accessing all your gear. Nice big pull tabs. You can stick your fingers on if they get a little chilly. And here we go. So hopefully you can see this. I'll show it a more detailed shot of it. First of all, my lenses. This is my 16 to 50. It's an f2.8-4.5, I believe. Throughout the zoom, but it's nice and light, and I don't need the speed because I'm a landscape photographer. Next up is my Viltrox 13 millimeter, so really great lens for when I have to get really wide. It's also a 1.4 lens, so it's super fast for things like astrophotography, so I really like that lens, and it's not expensive either. I think it was about $650. The cheapest lens in my kit is this 50 to 230 for the APS-C sensor. It's not great. It's not weather resistant. It's light and it's cheap and it's okay. For when I need it. I don't use it a lot, but it's there until I can replace it with something better. Then I've got my filters, and all my filters are 82 millimeters, and I have step-up rings on all my lenses, so they only have to buy one size filter that fits all my lenses. So that's convenient. I have other filters for the Osmo Pocket 3. My drone batteries fit in here. My drone, which is a flip, and I have a love-hate relationship with this. It's really great for vlogging, so it can follow you, it can kind of track you and all that kind of stuff. But it's not great in the wind because of the large prop protectors, prop guards. They really catch the wind, so it's got to be a fairly calm day in order to use it at any great height, but still not bad. My drone controller, and I've got a little dust remover for my lens. These are my mics and receivers for my cameras. This is my Osmo Pocket 3. And just a case to carry accessories, cords, adapters, all those kinds of things. So all fits into this case, and I'm really quite happy with it. So maybe there's a shot to be had on this kind of dull, fairly windy day at Cape Spear, so we'll see what we can get. Well, this is day 2, and what a difference a day makes. It's windy, it's snowing a little bit, and it's cold. But I'm hoping to get something today. Oh, by the way, in my haste, I didn't mention one of my favorite pieces of gear. This is a K&F tripod. I got spikes on the bottom, really helps stabilize, especially in the spongy ground. And it works beautifully. Quarter turn opens, quarter turn closes. It's a 3-segment tripod, and I'm not sure how well it will hold up over time, but it works great. And it's nice and light, carbon fiber. I'll put a link in the description. So there's nothing happening in the sky today. So I'm gonna just shoot the landscape and see if I can find some interesting lines and patterns. And I'll shoot with the Viltrox 13mm with a circular polarizer from K&F, magnetic, really convenient to use, and see what we can get something interesting. All right, well, hopefully that's something. So this might be a good opportunity for me to show you some examples from the lenses that I showed you earlier that I may not be able to use today, but you get an idea of how I use them. And also, I failed to mention one of my favorite lenses, which is the Fujifilm 56mm 1.2, which is a great lens for, well, it's great for portraits, obviously. It's really shallow depth of field, but also it gives you a little more reach when you're shooting landscapes. And granted, my 16-50 covers most of what I need there, but if I need a little shallower depth of field, that's the lens I go to. So, enjoy these photos. One thing about these magnetic polarizers, they tend to fall off. Luckily, this one survived. I have to clean it off and put it back on. So I'm back in the car, getting warmed up, having a little bit of coffee, and I'll head out again a little further up the hill near the lighthouse, I guess, and see what else I can get. But it's kind of not a great day. It's a little too bright. There's nothing happening in the sky. And, well, it's all about lenses today anyway, I guess, and equipment. So I'll try to highlight that end of it for you. Anyway, cheers. So I've decided to dispense with my main kit. Left it all in the car because it's too damn cold and windy. And I'm not admittedly, not the hardiest of landscape photographers. I'm not a fan of the cold. Anyway, what I did do is I brought my 16-50 and a polarizer, and I'm just going to roam around and see what I can get. Oh, so my my Osmo 3 on a tripod blew over in the crazy wind out here, and not sure I can get it working again. Anyway, so I'll continue on though and see what else I could get photo-wise. But it was kind of a drag. Anyway, I'll have some more coffee and get back out there. Well, after the cold and wind of Cape Spear, Newfoundland, I had to make a quick trip to Nova Scotia. I did manage to get out and shoot though, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.